Guys, welcome back to G's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious rice recipe. It is spicy groundnut or peanut rice. It's such a flavorsome and super spicy rice dish. So quick to make. Let's see how to make it. In a pan, I'm adding oil. First, I'm going to roast groundnuts. I'm going to roast this in medium heat till it changes color. Now it's half roasted. To this I'm going to add some sesame seeds, urad dal, chana dal, dry red chilies. I'm going to roast everything. Till everything becomes nice and crispy. So I'll be doing this in low to medium heat. Finally, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut. And I've switched off the flame, and with the remaining heat, I've added this. So I'm going to keep it in the stove for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to transfer this to the mixie. It's cooled down, so I'm going to add it in the mixie. And I'll be grinding this into a coarse powder. So this is how it has to be coarse. In the same pan I'm adding some oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, Asafoetida, groundnuts, curry leaves. So I'm going to saute this till the urad dal and groundnuts become a little bit crisp. So it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to add rice, which I cooked in the morning. It's afternoon now. And I air dried it and then put some little bit of oil, and that's why it's not sticking to each other. So mixing with the ingredients. Next I'm going to add the powder. Salt and mix it. So yes, I've mixed it thoroughly, and I'm going to keep this in heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and groundnut rice is done. So yes guys, spicy groundnut or peanut rice is ready. I'm going to have a taste of this. Wow, it's hot. Oh God. I should have added a little bit more salt. Wow, it's so good. Spicy. This would be great with some appalam. Oh God, so good. I'm gonna have this for lunch, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna have this for lunch with some appalam. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.